Okay, so guys, quick one. Today we want to learn how to buy MTN data. If you are in Ghana and you're using MTN, this is the easiest way. Just open your phone tab or your dial pad and star star. Okay, you dial *138# and you click on your MTN SIM. If it's SIM 1, you click SIM 1. If it's SIM 2, you click SIM 2. Then here they said, welcome to bundle portal. Please select your option. And you click on the number 1 to proceed. If you choose the number 2, they will give you free 4G data, but you have to install the MTN, the Momo app first. You have to install the Momo app first. Then with that, they can be able to give you the 50% bonus. But if you are not getting the bonus, then you have to, if you can't install the MTN Momo app, then you have to use the other one. Okay, so because I kept long on it, it has to stop. So I have to restart again. So let's go. *138#. And that one. And that one. Then *138#. Then you choose number 1. Click on send. And if you are buying data bundle for midnight, you choose number 2. If you are buying for morning, choose number 3. There's more that you can choose number 1 if you are buying for regular data. Then if you're buying for yourself, you choose. If you're buying for someone else, you choose number 2. If you're buying for yourself, you choose number 1. So you're a woman. If you are buying for 3 cities, you choose number 4. So you can choose and click on it. So let's say we are buying 3 cities, number 4. Click on send. Yeah, then that's it. So it has not expired. This data does not expire. So you can choose number 1, buy. If you are buying with you can buy with your airtime, you can buy with your mobile money too. So let's say we are buying with mobile money. You choose number 2. Then you have to enter the Momo code. I can't enter Momo code for security reasons here. So there's no sufficient money in this Momo I'm using for this tutorial sake. So it has to switch to airtime. So if I click on airtime, you see what will happen next. So see, I still have insufficient on airtime too, but this is just my training line. So I don't really keep funds on it. Okay, so that's how we basically buy data from MTN. Okay, all right. Thank you. Ciao.